In yet another incident, a train accident of 12 coaches of a long-distance express train derailed after it rammed into a stationary goods train at Kavarapattai in Tamil Nadu on Friday night. Southern Railway officials confirmed that there were no casualties and or life-threatening injuries reported after the accident. According to Tamil Nadu police, a fire erupted following the incident and several were injured. 19 people reportedly sustained injuries in the incident. At around 8:15 p.m. last night, Bhagmati Express, a super-fast train from Mysuru to Darbhanga in Bihar, rammed into a goods train at Kavarapattai railway station in Tiruvallur district near Chennai after the passenger train mistakenly entered a loop line instead of the main line designated for its route. Meanwhile, several trains were cancelled while many diverted on different routes today following the incident. Railways have ordered a high-level inquiry into the incident.